All right, Alien.
Joe! What's up?
What's up, Stitch? How you doing?
Tagging tonight.
Yeah, we are. Just gonna go tell him about Alien.
Go ahead,
Alien,
tell him.
I've had enough with you. I got a new tag team partner. But the main thing with tag teaming is trust, and that's one thing you got a problem with. Hopefully with me and my buddy Stitch here, we don't have
hold
that
up. It ain't no hopefully. It's a for sure thing. You heard that? Oh, nobody's worried about me. That's a damn lie. That's a damn lie. You and your little cub, I don't know what y'all gonna do. How many times you took a bump? How many times you lost? So if you can't beat this guy alone with me on this team, nah, you might as well say them words for somebody else, buddy.
Look at that, one shot.
Tonight, Blackheart teams up with the AT Alien and his big bodyguard, Grizz. I can't say I'm exactly too happy about teaming up with them, but I can say that I'm going to go out there and do what I always do and go fight. So that's how it's going to be.
Move out of the way, little man. Chris Steele, again, this week, man, I'm trying to tell you, we're done, okay? So don't expect to put your hands on me in that ring because you're not going to do it. He's going to make sure of it, I'm going to make sure of it, and that guy, Blackheart, he's going to make sure of it. Stitch, nobody's really worried about you, bruh. New Age, let's go.
Joined by Axel Ross here momentarily. He's got a big task here tonight. Here's the hook horns with Big Bear Boone. Folks, you saw last week, took on the Big Bear Boone last week. Of course, there he is right here. Axel Ross. Axel, I was telling the fans about that contest you had last week with Big Bear Boone. Started out a week or so ago. He came in and tried to help you, and you kicked him in the face, man. What kind of dirty stuff is that?
It's not dirty. I came in there and I had to help him, but it wasn't even for him. I just had to set a statement to these fans. He was just in the way. You should have took it personal, but now I have a big task against the Big Bear tonight.
All right, going for the roll-up. Get back with your minute on that one, Ross. Going for the roll-up. Big-time shoulder tackle by Steele. Down goes Blackheart. Going into tag in Cypher. Here comes Cypher there. But look at the AT Alien doing some dirty tactics again, powdering out on Blackheart.
Hey, I wouldn't say they're exactly dirty. The AT Alien finally smartened up and stopped forgetting about these fans, because if you care about these fans, you don't win.
Flying side head scissor. Over goes Blackheart. Great move by Cypher there. Blackheart all by himself again. What's up with the AT Alien here?
He's smart. That's what's up.
Arm drag by Cypher going for the pin. No, kicked out. You see Blackheart going for the pin as well. Kicked out just in the nick of time there.
Look, the AT Alien is smart. He lets Blackheart do all the work and then gets the glory at the end. And that's what real wrestlers do.
Well, I'll tell you something, Blackheart in trouble, man. AT Alien and Big Grizz still on the floor. It's called tag team action. AT Alien ain't doing too much to help his partner. Going for the cover, grab both legs. No, kicked out just in the nick of time.
Hey, you're right. It is called tag team action. But being a former 3-time tag team champion, I know what's smart and I know what's not smart.
Tagging in Steele. Steele coming in to get him some. Going to do some doubling up here. It's called tag team action. Double suplex. Over goes Blackheart. Look at my God, I want to tongue-tied. Look at the AT Alien still on the floor there. Ain't helping his partner, man. My God.
Well, if Blackheart is good enough, he'll help himself instead of catching this beating right now. Because this looks pretty violent.
No doubt about it. My God. Going for that old school. He flipped. Big time move by Cypher and Steele. Covers no. Kicked out just in the nick of time.
Just in the nick of time is that. I don't know about that. That was a kind of a hard move to kick out of. Oh, finally. I think JC attacked himself in, but since Cypher didn't notice it.
Reverse. In goes Cypher. Ducks a clothesline. Here comes leg sweep by Big Grizz. Official occupied by the AT Alien. Drop kick right to the sternum, and down goes Cypher.
Right to the sternum. That's smart.
5 minutes down. 5 minutes.
You distract the ref. Big Grizz took advantage, and look at him now. He's on top. He didn't do any of that work. Blackheart took that beating.
5 minutes has elapsed in this 10-minute time limit contest. No winner thus far here. Bam! Big double accidental by the AT Alien. Cypher still in the contest here. Both men exchanging blows here.
Yeah, this Cypher has a lot of fight in him. A lot of fight. He would not go down lightly.
Irish whip to your corner there. Here goes Cypher. Cypher on the wrong side of town now. Let's see what Blackheart does. AT Alien tagging himself.
Talk to him, the AT Alien. Talk to him.
Out, brother.
Hey, the AT Alien's being real smart right now. Now he has this Cypher in one corner. Chris Steele is a mile away. He can't do anything without tagging.
Blackheart snaps there out of that corner there on Cypher. Got that chin lock cinched in there. Cypher in trouble now. Folks, you want to be a professional wrestler, go to WWE4.com. It has all the details. We show you how to wrestle here. But in the meantime, tides have definitely changed now. Cypher in trouble. Got that headlock cinched in.
Yeah, he has a cinched in tight. That's where you learn it, WWE4.com.
Going for that back suplex. Hanging on to that headlock, folks. I say it every week here. When you see guys wrestling trying to apply a headlock, man, that's the way you apply it, don't you know? But in the meantime, tagging in the AT-Alien. My God, devastating football kick. Snapmare out of that corner by the AT-Alien. Big slap, kick to the sternum. Standing moonsault. Cypher moving out of the way. Just in the nick of time. Needs to inch his way over for the big time tag here.
He does, because he just injured those ribs right now, and I know a lot about injured ribs thanks to Big Bear Boone.
Big drop kick by the AT-Alien. Cypher trying to tag in his partner there.
Very smart. He cut off that ring. Now Stitch can get to his partner.
Ducks a close eye. Leg sweep by Cypher. Go for the pin. The head scissor by Cypher. Great wrestling going on the inside.
Like I said, Stitch is one of the most unorthodox wrestlers I've ever seen in my life. But you can't beat two people at once, so he needs to get his partner in right now.
Big kick to the midsection by the AT-Alien. Gets out of the way. Cypher getting out of the way. Kick to the back there by Cypher on the AT-Alien. Going for the crucifix. Covers no. Kicked out just in the nick of time.
Just in the nick of time, and a big drop saw right to the face. Look at him. Folded up.
By the rope. Used it. Smart wrestling by Cypher.
Hey, Stitch isn't a fool. He's been here for multiple years. He knows what he's doing, but the AT-Alien has big Grizz on his side, and that's hard to beat.
I was with the other side. Big time leapfrog. Drops down. Here comes Cypher. Boom! Big time knee off that rope.
The AT-Alien is not a fool. He's been here equally as longer, and he has 2 titles under his belt. So he knows what he's doing. He's working on those ribs.
Cypher coming up slowly there. Sorry about that, folks. Back elbow by Cypher. Taking off there. There goes Cypher. Going for that crucifix, going for that backslide. Turning it into a neck breaker. Wait a minute. Into a front face chin lock. Set him up for that. Oh, my God. Brain buster. Connected with it. This could be it. No. Kicked out just in the nick of time.
See, if that was Axel Ross, he would have reversed this stuff more awesome.
8 minutes down.
But
2 minutes remaining. In this 10-minute time limit contest.
As soon as possible.
8 minutes has elapsed. No winner thus far here. 2 minutes remaining, Axel. You see Cypher tagging in Steel. Here comes Steel. Big time tackle. Down goes the AT-Alien. Another tackle. The AT-Alien in trouble. Ducks the clothesline. Reverse headlock. Oh, no. Excuse me. Atomic. Oh, I'm so tongue-tied. Power slam. Bomb. There goes Chris Steel. Flying devastating elbow drop. Run across the goozy. Take your time there, Axel. I'm going to give you some in a minute. Grab the leg. No. Kicked out just in the nick of time.
Well, I was trying to give you time to get all that out, bro.
No doubt about it.
Oh, it looks like he got Blackheart back in. Blackheart is being the idiot, not looking towards what it really means, which is Chris Steel.
Oh, no. Blackheart taking his eye off Steel. Oh, no. Steel got him up. Oh, no. Cypher in the middle. Oh, no. Gonna see a high-risk spine pivot.
Oh, my goodness.
Ooh, down goes Blackheart. 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, after 9 minutes, 33 seconds, here is your winners, Chris Steel and Stitch Cypher. Stitch Cypher and Chris Steel get to do